Hi, it's Johnny here to tell you about the Totally Wicked Lumina. Slim, pod-style vapes don't get much better than this. It packs in a screen, sliding top fill, quick charging, adjustable wattage and much more, all for less than £20. Now stay tuned to find out why the Lumina is the only pod kit you need. So let's start with the battery design. This sleek, compact structure is becoming more and more popular and keeps the device nice and lightweight. The curved edges, detailing and well-lit integrated screen add to the aesthetics while providing functionality and ergonomic benefits. Now there are three colours to choose from, which are blue, grey and black. The technology within the battery offers adjustability while remaining really simple to use. The wattage can be changed using the function button at the side and goes from 6 to 20 watts to suit your preference. Or if you prefer to let the Lumina do the work for you, it also has smart mode. Now when set to this mode, it will intuitively detect the optimum wattage and set it to that level for you. Now if you want to go one step further, you can even change the preset wattage levels so that it automatically selects. You can see your current wattage at a glance thanks to the screen, which is hidden when out of use but well illuminated when in use. This display also shows your remaining battery life, atomizer resistance and puff count. You can tailor the airflow using the sliding button on the front of the battery. The vape can be activated by simply inhaling on the mouthpiece or by holding down the function button on the side. This button is also used to turn the device on or off with 5 quick clicks. Now the battery capacity is very generous for a kit of the Lumina's size at 1100 mAh and should comfortably last a full day between charges. When you do need to recharge, you can do so quickly thanks to USB-C charging. Now it's clear that this is a high performing battery, but there's no point having a great battery without an equally good pod. Good news, the Lumina's LX pod is one of the best around. Sliding top fill, leak resistance and a fixed EN atomizer head all come together to create one of the best fixed coil pods on the market. The sliding top fill mechanism securely clicks into place to reduce the risk of it accidentally opening in your pocket. The atomizer head, which is fixed within the pod, performs excellently with all types of e-liquid, including bar salts like volts. Now when you need a new coil, simply replace the whole pod, which means no more messy atomizer changes. These pods are also cross-compatible with the VLTZ Flex Pro bar and VLTZ Flex Pro box, adding ultimate versatility and making the Lumina the perfect upgrade to the already well-rounded Flex Pro range. Likewise, the Flex Pro pods are compatible with the Lumina battery, so if you prefer pre-filled pods but want a fully featured battery, then go for the Lumina with Flex Pro pre-filled pods. So that's all you need to know about the Totally Wicked Lumina, a faultless pod kit which makes for effortless refilling and gives you ultimate control over your vaping experience.